Hi guys, it's Ian from Global Air Supplies. I'm here with Jair from DLI. We will be stocking DLI in the coming weeks, so we're really excited to have Jair here to explain a little bit about what DLI is and what it stands for.
Well, yeah, DLI is an abbreviation for Dutch Lighting Innovations. We are a Dutch company based in Aalsmeer in Holland, and we are based in horticulture. So we actually do work with real scientists on horticulture in Holland, and we also do what we call the tomatoes and the cut flowers and things. We do our own designs, our own production. We actually have a facility. We're not like a Chinese company that slaps a sticker on it and puts it to the market. We really make our own products.
So all the products we see from DLI are made in Holland?
They're made in Holland. They're mostly made with European parts, with diodes from Germany, with optics from Italy. It's a European product. It's made in Holland. It's something we designed. It's something we're proud about. I think we're at this moment we're looking at the best products that the world can get on lighting.
Yeah, I guess that's because, like you say, you control all the quality. You're buying from European companies. Everything's controlled. And like I say, we're looking at your LEDs, and they are the best LEDs on the market at this moment in time.
Well, pretty much. At this moment, about 9 out of the 10 companies come from China. China has no horticultural background, not like Holland does. And there is a lot of products that are made on hype and not on science. You can already see that because if you go to true agriculture, you actually see that those companies are actually not getting sold, and we do. You have to understand that if you put 30,000 fixtures in a greenhouse, that giving like 3 or 4% more yield, or having a better spectrum and having better plant growth on a real big scale makes huge differences.
Yeah, I think that's one of the reasons we chose to partner with DLI, is because you see these fixtures in commercial use. I know for a fact a lot of the products out there you'd never see in a commercial use because they don't hit the mark. They say that they've got a certain amount of micromole or a certain power input, and it's just made up, where everything DLI does has got to be absolutely spot on.
Well, it's not that we have a choice. You have to understand that if we sell 30,000 fixtures, LED fixtures, to a tomato grower, that the tomato grower really wants to understand what he's buying, that the differences in output that he actually is checking with the laboratory if that's correct. Also warranties. I mean, we actually give output warranty to really big customers. So with the LED, we actually give an output warranty that says that only we have a degradation of 1% a year for the first 5 years. And that's something that no Chinese company would ever do, because they have no clue what they're actually selling.
Yeah, like if you imagine that, if you asked any of the cheap LEDs on the market now and said, don't just give me a 2-year warranty, give me a degradation warranty, which basically means your lights won't get worse and worse year on year, but not overdriven. You're only going to lose 1% each year, so a maximum of 5% over 5 years. Nobody else is offering that kind of warranty.
Well, we will write with written warranties on that.
Yeah, and like I said, nobody else does that now, do they?
Also, we don't use things like plastic parts. Everything is made of metal. Everything is just heavy duty, real commercial grade lighting. And it's what you see is we use the highest. Well, we will discuss that later on, but we will see that we use the highest grade components, and that is important to us. So we're not a company that's gonna be the cheapest one on the market,
no,
but we will be the best one on the market.
Yeah. It's like you got CE marks on there, so everything's CE mark. We know, we've tested a lot of the cheaper variants out there. They would never pass a CE mark. They give a lot of RF frequency off. That means they can be picked up on a shortwave radio. These are completely CE marked, RF certified. Like I say, I'm really impressed. So.
Yeah, radio frequency interference is a big one, and they just are not certified. I mean, we just seen a big brand in the United States just taken off the market because they were not even.
Yeah, we know that were. Yeah, they got written straight off the market.
Yeah, they got written straight off the market because they weren't certified, and they were actually
not
UL. They were already selling, and they had fake UL listings on there.
Yeah.
So pretty much what we give is a professional fixture that you can trust, that has all the certifications. We can show that if necessary, and you're buying something for a longer time.
Yeah, and you sell into the US, Thailand, all these new emerging markets? You're really big in these
We're pretty much, we're trying to be global. We are almost, and it's going to be really exciting to see where the market is going for DLI. We're really happy to be in the UK now. We are, DLI already exists for a while, but we are under new management, and we think we take the company to the next level of what's going to happen in the future with lighting.
How long has it been under new management now?
I think it's been under new management for about a year and a half.
Okay, so the products we're seeing now, completely redesigned, new PCBs, the quality that we're used to seeing with DLI.
Yes.
HPS, obviously everybody loves the HPS. We've gone into LEDs, and we've got some exciting new products with the UV, and Jair is going to go into a deep dive on what UV is and what it means to a plant, because that is really exciting.
Yeah, looking forward. Hope you guys are going to try some lights.
So that's it. So thanks for listening, guys. We're going to go into a little bit more deep dive on all the products. So if you carry on watching, we're going to go HPS, LED, and that world new renowned product, the UV light. Thanks a lot, guys.